In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Klaviyo email marketing campaign in 2025. This process will guide you step by step through creating and launching a successful email campaign using Klaviyo, a leading platform renowned for its user-friendly interface and powerful marketing tools. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, Klaviyo provides a seamless experience for crafting engaging emails tailored to your audience. Start by creating your Klaviyo account if you haven't already. Once your account is set up, make sure you've established your lists and segments and integrated your e-commerce platform if applicable. With those essentials in place, you're now ready to create a new email campaign. To get started, open your browser and navigate to www.klaviyo.com. Once the page loads, look for the login option and click on it. Enter your credentials to access your Klaviyo dashboard. You should now see a variety of options displayed on the left-hand panel. Locate the Campaigns section and give it a click to proceed to your campaign's management area. Inside the campaign section, you'll see an option to create campaign. Click on it to initiate the campaign setup process. You'll then be prompted to choose a list or segment. Select the group of recipients that your campaign is intended for, whether it be your newsletter subscribers or perhaps a segment of high-value customers. This selection ensures your message reaches the right audience. Next, you'll need to fill in the campaign details. This includes creating a unique name for your campaign so you can reference it easily in the future. Enter an engaging subject line that will capture the attention of your recipients as they glance through their inbox. Additionally, set the sender's name and email address, which are crucial for maintaining a consistent brand identity and fostering trust with your audience. Now it's time to choose a template. Klaviyo offers a range of pre-designed templates to simplify this task, or you can start completely from scratch if you prefer a more customized approach. Once you have your template, customize it by editing the text, adding images, and integrating buttons or other interactive elements to enhance the user experience. Remember to align your email's design with your brand aesthetics for a professional finish. Before sending your email out into the world, take advantage of the preview feature to see exactly how it will appear to your recipients. Consider sending test emails to yourself to ensure it looks great across different email clients and devices. When you're satisfied with your masterpiece, you're faced with an important choice. Do you want to send your email immediately or schedule it for a more strategic time? Either option is available at your convenience. Finally, when you're ready, go ahead and click Send Campaign. Your message is now on its way, ready to engage and inform your audience as part of your wider marketing strategy. And that's it. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering email marketing with Klaviyo. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials to help expand your digital marketing skills.